Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Beginning, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your pen drive a bootable USB flash drive so that you can install latest operating systems such as Windows or any Linux operating systems in your computer. So guys, if you are tired of using Windows 7 or 8, 8.1 operating systems, then also you can update your laptop into Windows 10 operating system. So guys, follow me and then watch the video carefully so that you can make your pen drive bootable within few minutes. So let's begin the guide. So first of all, open your web browser. So in my case, I have opened Opera browser. You can open Google Chrome or Firefox, and then on the address bar you type pendrivelinux.com. So after typing, hit enter, and then as soon as you see the page, then select the second most popular option, that is UUI Universal USB Installer. So after clicking on this button, you will see another page. So scroll down to the button download UUI and hit the download button. Now choose any folder and then click on save so that it will be downloaded in your PC. After downloading, I have already downloaded, so open it. It is an executable file. You can directly run through the PC. So after this, click on I agree button and then select the drop down menu. From drop down menu you can see many versions of Windows or Linux distribution. So here are the Linux distribution for security and penetration testings, and other different options were here. So let me choose Windows 10, and then after let's click on browse. So friends, before starting the process, make sure that you have already downloaded the ISO file of Windows or Linux distribution that you want to install in your pen drive to make it bootable. So I have already downloaded Windows 10 ISO, so let me select this file and let me click on open and then click on show all drive. So now make sure you have already inserted your pen drive in your PC. So in case of mine, it is H drive. Now let me choose from this drop down menu. S drive is my pen drive. So after selecting, so you have two options. Either you have to format the pen drive into Ntfs format or FAT32. Let's click on Ntfs format. It is the newer technology file system which is better than FAT32. So after this, hit on create. So finally, in this notification, click on yes so that the formatting will be started, and right after formatting the pen drive, it will begin the porting process of Windows 10 into your pen drive. So guys, as you can see here, the installation process of Windows 10 files has begun in your pen drive so that the pen drive will be bootable. Now let me pause for a while so that all the necessary files will be imported in the pen drive. So friends, you can see the installation speed has been increased already to 5 Mbps, and then we have remaining time almost 1 minute. And let me tell you till the time that there are different kinds of installers, there are different kinds of softwares that makes your pen drive bootable exactly, but whenever you boot your system from pen drive and then start installing Windows or Linux distribution, then obviously you may get errors on those bootable pen drive if you have made it through different softwares. But in this Universal USB installer, you will not find any kind of errors during the installation of operating systems. So it is very trustworthy and useful, and then it is faster than Rufus and other bootable USB makers. So I recommend you personally to use this software as a bootable USB maker for your pen drive. And finally, we have few seconds left for installing and then making your pen drive bootable. So friends, finally you can see that our installer has already ported all the necessary files of Windows 10 into our pen drive. After completing, it will be showing you the message of completion here in this screen of Universal USB installer. Then after, we have to reconfirm that whether it is ported successfully in our pen drive or not. So finally you have seen this message and this screen also. So after this, let's go through our process is complete. This message has come already. Let's click on close, and then after let's go to our Explorer whether the files are here or not. So boom guys, look at here, all the files are here. Even we have boot manager, bootmanager.efi, and then setup.exe. all the necessary files are here. So whether Windows 10 has been installed or not, whether our pen drive has become bootable or not, let's check by ejecting it once. Let's eject and then let's insert it again. So let me take it out and then let me insert it once again. So guys, you can see here this logo means Windows 10 installer has been already set up in your pen drive and your pen drive has been made bootable. So guys, to install Windows 10 in your system, you have to restart your PC. From now, after restarting, go to the BIOS, and usually most of the laptop and computers have F2, that is the shortcut for going to the BIOS setup, and then HP laptops have F10, and mostly you may try the delete key also for going to the BIOS setup during the restart of your system. So guys, thank you for watching the video. In this way you can make your pen drive bootable so easily and without any kind of errors.